What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you my website, which I've actually made now. Wait, which I didn't tell you about. And I know I haven't posted videos in like ever. One second, I'm moving the microphone. There we go. What? No! Oh my gosh! I'll be right back when I change this. It's got these stupid things. Different. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you it now. So I will leave a link to it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it if you want to do it like this. So up in here, bar up here, Weebly, dot ComputerCraft dot com, I think it is. I think it should be capital C. And let's try that. Here it is. And then here I got my videos page. All my videos with 150 views or more. And I got this picture. I'm still working on this. I'm not sure what, if I should use this type of thing. I actually have a different thing I want to do. This. Yeah, Aaron commented on that. And click if you're mad. What does it do? I'm clicking. Dang it, it changed back. Whatever. Click, 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 click. And I got a video here. And I haven't put anything there. I would be able to put a Facebook thing up there, but I didn't decide to do that. So I got this picture here I chose. And this one. And it's, by the way, it's free to do this. Yeah, I made this by myself. No help. Except for Aaron. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and I'll play again when I'm doing Minecraft, because it's actually a mod showcase on ComputerCraft, it's supposed to be. So I'll show you that for 1.4.5. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back now, just to make sure. Yep. So I'm gonna show you ComputerCraft. And yes, I do have it for 1.4.5, which is the newest update. Now I know I haven't posted any videos since 1.2.5, so yep. And I'll be trying to make more videos now, and this one will have a thumbnail, so you'll see a picture, or hopefully it will. And that was just a computer thing I was working on. So let's go show you the basics. And I'm also gonna be, right after this, doing like a video on we're starting a new series called ComputerCraft tutorials or whatever. So I'm just gonna show you the basics. So you can type programs in here. Oops. Programs. And I don't know, let's type worm. And it's this you can choose. So let me move my mouse. Click. Easy, medium, or hard. Darn mouse. And I'm gonna choose medium. And the text pack changes it. Cool. So these should be letters, or maybe updated. I don't know. Probably updated, but who knows? It could just be the text pack. Probably is. Anyway, basically, it's just you use your arrow keys and you can try and get that. And it's like that thing you get if you, let's trap ourselves. Wait, just do this. There we go. Yeah. Press any key. So I'm going to show you some basics. So we're going to edit the startup, which if you edit startup, then, by the way, you can edit and whatever you want to call your program. So that's how you create and edit a program. So we're just going to go into our startup. And in here, that's how long I'm recording. Okay, almost 5 minutes. So the basics are you can print something. You can write something, and there's a few other things that I will show you. So first we're going to print something. As soon as it starts up, we're going to do hello. So we're going to try that. And yeah, actually never mind. Save and exit. So now we can reboot our computer. By the way, this is a built-in program. So we reboot it, and it says, hello right there. Yep, it says hello. So now we can edit it. Oops, no. What did we edit? Save. Oh, no, I'm messing up here. Exit. And so here, what we can do, we can edit startup. And if you don't want that logo it says, like the CraftOS 1.41, I think it says, what you can do at the beginning is you can do term.clear, which clears the terminal, aka the computer screen. But then you have this problem. It sets you to a different line because it deletes the stuff and then it sets you to the line after that stuff that was deleted. So you have to do term.set cursor position, and you have to do the capitals here to state that it's a new word, and then you have to do bracket 1, 1, or whatever you want your position to be. Oops. And enter. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a basic password program to have a password for your computer. So the first thing we want to do, you can do print welcome to Craft OS 1.47, I think it is. Yeah, never mind. 1.47. And then you can do write password. And then you can, do that. And if you have this space here, that means this is the space away from the writing. So if you do write, I'll explain it to you after I'm a little farther. So what we gotta do is input or whatever you want. So let's do code instead equals read in brackets. So this is setting it so it will read what you have. It will read what you type. And so the next thing we're gonna have is an if and an end. And I'll show you how you do this. So if code, this is where the code part comes in. If code is equal to, what you could do is do brackets, and in here you could put password or pass, and then somewhere up here. So right here you put pass is equal to pass, which is our password, or simpler than that, saves you a line of coding. You can go up here and you can erase this and put can't remember what those are called. And then here I have to put then after you do that. And then you wanna, we don't state anything here actually. And equals pass, then, yeah, never mind, we write something here. Print, 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 let's do this, access granted, and end. So it'll actually, here, we want it to clear the screen once again, so term dot clear, so it will clear the screen. And the next will be term dot set cursor position 1 1. 1 1. There we go. And so it ends that, which means, oh wait, no, we don't put end because we need our else. What an else does, it does if anything else happens. Anything else is the answer, then 1 minute. Okay, I'm back now, just to make sure. Yeah, I'm recording. So in your else place, you want to put, what will it do after else? Well, first it's gonna do print access denied. And oh wait, I forgot. I'm gonna tell you something. There's something called sleep, and when you do that, it pauses it. Okay, I'm back. So sleep, it pauses everything temporarily. So basically, these commands won't happen till a second later, but we want to do that for 2 seconds instead. So down here in the else, we don't need to do that, or actually we do, but we don't need to clear the screen because it's going to be turning it off. So here we're going to put in 2 seconds, I guess. Oops. Wrong place. Sorry about this, just I'm not really paying attention right now for some reason. And sleep 2. And then here we will do os.shutdown, which will shut down the computer, and make sure to put brackets at the end. And brackets, yes, they come in good importance. Like most coding, you're probably going to use brackets if you're doing something more complicated. And so I'm going to explain the code, this now. So it's going to do this, but when it says code read, it's going to read something, and it will print after the write thing here. So basically it'll print after that space, but we can make it closer or something. So code equals read, so it's going to read this. It'll see the if, it'll read this, and then if it's equal to pass, then print that. Sleep 2, clear commands, else print access denied, sleep 2, os.shutdown, and the end cuts off the if. If there's no end, I'll show you what happens. So we're going to get rid of our end, save, and exit, and then you can do startup, and to run a program you just type its name, and end expected to close if at line 6. So it doesn't always give you a good explanation of why it didn't work, because sometimes it's too complicated for it to explain, because it's like your own programming, but this is simple enough that it will tell you. So usually it'll tell you if you get an if wrong or an end wrong. So we're going to save and exit, and yeah, those are some basics. So we're going to reboot our computer. Oops. It should work. Welcome to CraftOS 1.47, and the password is pass, and it will let us in. And if I just reboot again, I want to show you something. What you can do to shut down the computer is you hold Control S for 1 second, that turns it off. And then what you can do is Control T and hold that for a second. It'll terminate the program. See how it read it there? That's what I'm talking about, like how it reads it after. So yeah, those are some basics of it. And a disk drive, I will probably show you how to use it in a tutorial, different tutorial. So I'm gonna end the video about now. Maybe I'll fool around with the program for a few minutes. And yeah, so basically, I hope you enjoyed learning about the basicness of ComputerCraft. But actually, first I want to show you a bug. I'm not sure if it's a bug, but it's kind of not good. So if you see this, let's use time. So if we do time, just say time. But what we can do is we can do edit time, and we can make our own program. We just do it print what time, and if we type time trying to run that program, it won't tell us until we delete time, Now we can do time, and it'll tell us. So it's actually only like 7 o'clock in Minecraft. So time set. There we go. Now what time is it in Minecraft? Oh, it's only 5:33 a.m. Cool. Time. Oh, cool. Does it go by seconds or something? Time. Kind of, I guess. So disk drives, go over here. We can choose something. There's also advanced computers. I'll probably get into that into a different video, and there's a bunch of different stuff. So let's choose a black floppy disk. And if we put this on here, oops, hold shift, we can put this in here. And then we can also do something where we go CD, I think it's this, oops, CD disk, we'll open up the CD disk inside of it. And if, what you can do is you can do edit coolness, and I'm going to show you what you can do as well, or another cool program, or another cool thing you can do with ComputerCraft. So we're going to print coolness, save and exit, and now we do CD with 2 periods at the end, or we can do, actually, let's go back into it, and I think I know another way to get out. You can do CD, just 2 at the beginning. No, you can't. You got CD space double dot. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do hi. Actually, we're gonna edit hi, and it's gonna do shell dot run bracket thingy, and then actually here we're gonna put CD disk, and that states where it is, kind of, and then, or that states where it is, I guess, and then here you write where, or what the program's name is, and it's called coolness. Oops, I think coolness, and then you put another bracket, save and exit, and then we're gonna run hi. Oops. Bracket is expected. Exit. Hi. Line 1. No, maybe 2 or something? I have no clue. 1 second, I'll pause it till I get... Okay, YouTube, I think I got it working, so I'm gonna type... Actually, I'm gonna edit hi, I didn't fix it. But, I'm not sure how to do it, or run it onto something like this, but I set up a different program, just a plain coolness program, so we're gonna do hi. It'll say cool, so, yep, that's it for now, I guess, because I'm at like, what, 20 minutes? Let's check. Yeah, 19 minutes. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And, oh, I got it. I'm gonna say this from now on, unless you want me to say something else. And, see you later, invaders. Yeah!